Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Rashtag Media YouTube channel. Today I'm going to give you a different experience. I'm going to take you to Birds and Animal Market located at Sharjah. The market is located near to Al Jubail bus station and Al Jubail Cemetery, Sharjah. So here we have started our journey to Sharjah from Dubai. It can take up to 1 hour to reach our destination. If you're watching this channel first time, then please click on the subscribe button below this video. And also please click on the bell icon so you will be notified for all the upcoming new videos. We have a lot of new videos to give you a better and different experience. Oh yeah, today is Friday, so there is no traffic on the way to Sharjah from Dubai. Now we have covered Dubai boundary and going towards Sharjah. Now after 1 hour traveling, we have successfully reached our destination. Now let's park the car and run into the market. Okay, now we have entered into the market and we can see a lot of parking slots are inside and there is a lot of crowd because it is weekend in the UAE. The market contains two different shops, the external shop for the big animals and the internal shop for the small animal, bird and fish. The different types of animals are classified and they are segregated into different kind of shops. Each shop has a unique registered number. The outside shop mainly contain horse, goat, cows and deers. The shops contain different kind of gods, not only domestic, and different gods from different countries like Boer god, Sanan, Anglo-Nubian, Pygmy, Chemna-Piari, Nigerian dwarf, Damascus, Camori, Kiko, Ro, Barbari, Spanish god and Russian white god, etc. People come here not only for pet but also to get the fresh milk that the shop owners sell the fresh milk separately to the people. Lot of pet lovers are coming from the other Emirates like Abu Dhabi, Al Ain, Ras Al Khaimah and Ajman to this market. The workers in shop are mainly from India, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Even you can see some Arabic nationality also there. Wow, there are some cows. There is horse too. I think he doesn't like us because he just go away from us. Now we are walking to the indoor market. Now this is the section for birds. You can see at both sides of the way that there is lot of birds. We can see some parrots and other small kind of birds here. Now we are walking through the indoor market. Indoor market is a building that contains different small shops, and the middle of the building is a rest area. The people can sit here and take the rest. Each shops inside the building is categorized by different kind of birds, and they are segregated into style. You can see parrot, eagle and bulbul here. Here I can see some people are not interested to buy a pet, but they are busy with taking photographs of the pets. Wow, we found some cats. They are sleepy. Different kind of lovebirds are here. And some rabbit also in the color of gray, white and black. So here we can see a shop for fish. There is lot of fish inside the glass aquarium, and they are just enjoying inside. Different kind of fish like goldfish, molly, platy and blackhead. This shop is not only for the fish but also for their food and other accessories. Many color and many size. Beautiful. Here we have a group of rabbits, and now we came out of the building and we can see lot of birds lying inside the cage. We are walking to the other area. There is a crowd. Let's see what is that. Oh, this guy is the hero of this market. Do you know why? Of course, he speaks. He speaks Arabic. That's nice. So many people are coming here and talking to this guy on Arabic, and this guy is giving reply. And do you know what is the cost of this guy? You don't even believe. It is 30,000 dirham. Very expensive. This is an African grey parrot. He is very expensive. We have some other kind of parrot here on different color. They are able to speak too also. Their cost is something like 8,000 dirham. Now we have entered to the pigeon section. We could see a lot of pigeons from different part of the world, and they are segregated inside the cage. They are also served with food and water. We can see some special kind of arrangement for food and water. The cage is linked to some specific array for the food and water tubes for the water. Oh my god, few people are waiting for me here. I don't know what they are going to do. There are a lot of crowds are coming in even after the sunset. That means Night also, it is going to be a good business here. The working time is from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and again from 4:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. That's good. Now we are in a shop who sell the accessories and food for birds. We can see the nest of the birds here, and we can see a lot of different kind of food items here. It's beautiful. See the different kind of foods with different color and different price. I decided to buy something food for the street birds near to my home. Again, I decided to buy one small home for one of my favorite bird who is living in my balcony. It is almost 10 p.m. and we have to leave. We started our journey back to Dubai from Sharjah. It was a nice experience I got today with birds and animals. Okay guys, time to leave now. If you like this channel, subscribe it and share it. If you don't like, dislike it. There are a lot of new videos are on the way, so subscribe it and watch it. Thank you for watching guys. Good night. Bye.